Chris Osterwood. I'm the Chief Technical Officer at Carnegie Robotics. And I'm going to start by just describing a little bit of what we do and why we do it, and then get into details of a set of products and some custom systems that we've built that are a result of the process that we use to build robots. So we started in 2010 as a spin-out of the National Robotics Engineering Center, which, if you don't know, is part of the Robotics Institute at CMU. And it's within the CMU umbrella, but its goal is research and technology development, not education. That way they can do DoD funding, but it's still part of CMU. And that organization's been around since the late 80s, early 90s, I believe, doing a lot of work with military, big agricultural companies, and big mining companies, bringing technology to these markets. We're a spin-out from there, and we're targeting similar industries, but with a focus towards product. And that is a very different kind of development activity than what occurs at NREC or other research organizations. And as we're doing that, we are doing both standard products we sell to these industries and many others, and then we also do strategic custom system development for large OEMs. And there's a nice feedback loop there that I'll get into. We have about 60 people on staff, 2/3 of that is in engineering. The photo in the upper right corner was actually a LEGO First League that we hosted at our building when it was under construction. You see the giant plastic sheeting up, and there's actually no heat in the building when this happened, so everyone's in winter coats. And we had like 300 kids running around playing with Legos and building robots. It was quite fun. So historically, robots, and by here I'm talking about the long tail of robots, not the modern, like, let's build a robot car efforts that are happening, but this long tail of all these little niche applications. Generally what happens is that you end up evaluating products that have been designed for other industries and other markets. You either then throw that away and build something in-house that immediately solves your need for whatever kind of end product you're building, or you take whatever has been built for something else and you modify it to be more useful to the application that you have at hand. In automotive, consumer electronics, and industrial automation, these all have many useful starting points, but none of them, we found, actually provide useful robot products or robot components out of the box. And that's generally because these applications have really demanding requirements from size, weight, power, interfaces, environmental requirements, and a whole host of other things, as do all of the industries that these products were actually designed for. So all the requirements are specifically focused on those industries and not this general robot use.